Meron na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Meron tayong prediction guys. Tanggalin natin yung dalawang viewer guys. Buksan natin yung prediction guys. There will be 25 face down card. 25 cards lang daw yung nakataob guys. Or naka face down card guys. 25. Bilangin natin guys. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The Magician is correct guys. 25 lang yung naka face down card guys. Buksan natin yung prediction guys. There will be 10 black cards. 10 black cards lang daw ito guys. Yung 25 na naka face down cards guys. Tingnan natin guys kung 10 lang yung black cards guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The Magician is correct again guys. 10 lang yung black cards guys. Buksan natin ulit yung prediction guys. All the cards will be clubs. Lahat daw itong 10 black cards guys ay clubs or bulaklak. Tignan natin guys, tignan natin. Lahat clubs guys. The Magician is always correct again guys. Clubs lahat guys, clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching guys.